Hi, future ninth graders. My name is Jenny Kuski. I am one of the school counselors up at Shakopee High School, and I just wanted to go over a few things on registration. The first is the registration guide. This is online on our website, but it has all the information that you will need to find out about courses. So when you go there, you will be able to find out a ton of different things about what classes you might want to sign up for. So for example, the registration guide has all the information in there. You'll see that each class will be listed similar to what is shown on the screen. So for example, we have interior design and AP Studio Art. The first thing you'll want to make sure is that you're taking the appropriate grade level. And so we do have a cheat sheet on pages 10 and 11 in the registration guide that will also tell you this, but it won't have the course description. So this gives you the full details of the course, where pages 10 and 11 just give you a brief name with what grade level you can take it and how many credits it is. So for example, interior design, if you see the grade level, is 9 through 12, so you can take it in any year, whereas AP Studio Art is for grade level 11 and 12. So you would not be able to sign up for that as a future ninth grader. You also want to refer to the prerequisites. So the prerequisites are classes that you have to have in order to take a class. So for interior design, there's no prerequisites. So you don't have to take anything beforehand. You can just sign up for it. If you wanted to take AP Studio Art, it says you have to have Advanced Studio Art before that as a prerequisite. So you can't take it until you've had Advanced Studio Art or registered for it at that time. Another thing that I didn't talk about was the credits. So just to make sure, the number of credits is really just kind of like the number of boxes that you're putting it into your schedule. And then you will see also the description. It'll give you in detail kind of what the class is about. This is super useful. So when you're registering, because you don't want to take a class that you don't really know anything about. And then lastly, there are different symbols on some of the courses because they meet different criteria. So for example, the little music note is for fine arts credit. That means that it goes towards your fine arts credit that you need for graduation. We also have college opportunities, which is the little college icon there, which just is saying that you could potentially get college credit. And then we also have the CAPS program, which means it's one of those final courses that is with the academies. So let's talk about filling out your registration worksheet. So this is what it's going to look like. On the top, you will have 16 required courses or requests that you're going to put in. Most of these are going to be your required courses. And then down here in this gray section, you'll have alternates. And those are going to be those backup courses that in case there's a schedule conflict or a course gets full or something happens where we can't get you in one of your top choices, what are your backup choices that you'd be happy taking? This just goes over the requirements that are required to graduate from Shakopee High School. And then the red section is really what you're looking for in your requirement. So you have a digital version of this accessible to you. What you're going to want to do is click the check boxes and put in the classes that you will want to take. So in that red box, you're going to see that you have to take in English, whether you take regular English or accelerated English, which you have to qualify for. You're going to pick whatever that is, and then it'll tell you how many boxes you need to fill in out of your 16. So for example, English 9 is 2 boxes, so you put it into 2 spots. Then you go over to like math, for example. Everyone will be taking a math. Most students will sign up for geometry, and then it is 2 boxes. So you'll put geometry into 2 boxes of the 16 for your course requests. If you're a student that struggles or you're not passing algebra in 8th grade, we recommend that you retake algebra. You could double up and do algebra and geometry, but this would be kind of a situation where if you're not quite sure what to do about your math, you talk to us when we come and visit you, and we can help you navigate what would be the best plan for your math. And if you're an accelerated student, you can do accelerated algebra too. Same thing with physics and AP and all the other red categories on that first page. So you will get to pick one from each category and then put them up into the top of the boxes. Here's an example of what it will look like once it's more complete. This is also a page that will show you all of the alternates and electives that you can pick. So they're grouped by academy, but you can pick from any of them. So don't be worried about the colors. You can pick from any of them. You'll just want to pick the ones that are most interesting to you. So once you get everything uploaded in here, then we'll teach you how to upload it into Infinite Campus. Let us know if you have any questions.